We're continuing on with this idea of convenient vector sets, and in this section, we're focusing on orthonormal bases, which are an extremely convenient kind of vector set to use. So orthonormal vector sets are sets in which every vector in the set is both a normal vector, so it has length 1, and every vector in the set is orthogonal to every other vector in the set. Sets like this dramatically simplify all kinds of linear algebra problems, which is why they're so important to us. For example, when we're talking about projections, it's much easier to project onto a subspace that's defined by an orthonormal vector set than it is to project onto a subspace defined by a non-orthonormal set. And we'll go through a whole lesson where we look at how to do that. For now, let's get started by defining an orthonormal basis, and then we'll look at the Gram Schmidt process for changing a non-orthonormal basis into an orthonormal one.